back to another video. I'm super sorry that I haven't been uploading in a long time. So I'm going to show you guys a new update. The boat. The one and only Smexy freaking boat. It's broken, dude. It's broken. And I'm going to show you dudes the trailer. Find out, dudes. Find out, dudes.
Hey guys, you ever wonder what's across the water? Nope. I wonder how we get over there.
Wow, logic. Even better logic. Because it's just so logical.
Any ideas, Barbarian?
Rip.
Why don't we just use that boat?
So, okay, so I've been noticing that people have been saying that it's a thing that you just get treasury and you have to pick from gems, gold, and elixir. But I think it's because from what I think, I think you can go to another village. Because if you can do that, that is so cool. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Because then you can type in the village, but you can't edit the base. But you have to have permission to edit the base. I'd go to my base, right here. And I'd edit this. Because I can't find my other phone for it. Oh, and I've wanting to show you guys my walls. Look at this, dude. 38 freaking level A walls. They're amazing, aren't they? They're so nice. I want to also show you guys a defense I lost. 3-star, lost 30 trophies. So, I have not watched it yet. So, I have no idea. Okay, so he was going to see if I couldn't cast the troops, which I did not. Because I just requested and I just left. So, he attacks from right here. I don't know why, but it's not the best place. If you're gonna attack my base, you attack from right here. Best place to attack is right there. This is the worst freaking place. It has the most defenses. This guy don't give a crap. He's like, I don't care, I'm gonna just freaking murder you, dude. And he has 3 heals. No wonder he's gonna 3-star. And my king's like, what the fuck is going on? Oh my god, he's like, oh no! She walks up to them. Look at that. Rip, dude, and he died. Rip. And the bomb tower's like, oh no! And these woods are like, Harry, we can do it. We can do it, Harry. Like, no, we can't, Jimmy. We can't kill him. Oh no, no, Jimmy. Why, Jimmy? No! Okay, so those dudes died, and these archers I was like, Jimmy, like, and they can do it. Like, these archers are shooting at each other like, pew pew. And these archers like, we can do it. The woods is like, oh fucking no, and she's like, oh no, archer tower. And she's like, oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh no, sneak attack. And she's like, Mary, you died on me. You died on me. And this guy just starts placing freaking heal spells, and this was like, oh my god, now. And these dudes are like, no, you know. It's like, no, not Joe, not Joe. Oh yes, Joe, you survived. And then these dudes are like, oh, I'm gonna murder you, dude. And they're like, we can do this. We can defend this base. It's like, oh yes, we can do this. Oh no, not you, Jimmy. No. Okay, so everyone died. 3 minutes. Okay, guys, the army is done. I'm gonna take. Watch this. I get mashed up at time out 9 and 10. Okay, finally, time out 8. Nah, I'm not gonna attack it. I'm gonna attack this base. I'm going to not attack that base. Today, I attacked the base that was worth 40 trophies, and the town hall was outside the base. I will show you dudes that attack, and I 2-starred. I did not 3-star, but I 2-starred. I was really proud of it. I want to show you guys how long it takes for me to find an easy base. No, like a base that I want to. Just a base. No one's gonna. I'm not gonna attack that. Actually, I'm gonna attack a really challenging base. No. A dead base, because I don't want freaking expos destroying. I'm just gonna mess around with this. Yeah, dude. Boop, boop. Does this boy have anything in his screen? Okay. Yeah, he has nothing. No, it ran out. Watch this. Skills. Best freaking skills ever. Ever. Wow, my king died really quick. Great Mr. King. Dude, he died like freaking 0 to 100, I swear. I'll replay this and show you guys how fast this is. If I get the 2-star, I'm gonna be that'll just be amazing. Okay, I will not get the 2-star. Yep, no 2-star. Not even close. Yeah, I got the 1, okay? I only wanted the 1. Only wanted 2. That's all I'm going for. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. This video sucked, by the way.